I'm on vacation right now. I just want to tell you that I just placed a big short for around $25,000 on Omni right here. And the reasoning behind this is we just liquidated a bunch of people on this area right here. We actually liquidated 3.87K worth of shorts right here, 69K worth of shorts right here on the weekly chart. So we're looking into getting a good amount of shorts at this area, and I'll take profit and the retest of a VWAP, which is right around here. So that's basically the trade. If you want to learn more about my strategy, my signals, use the link in the description down below. I also have a course that I've made pretty cheap, and the whole idea is that I want this information to be accessible. If you hear some profits from meme coins, and also we've got 8 grand worth of bonuses. I partnered up with BingX to bring you 8 grand worth of bonuses if you just use my link in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.